Hey guys, welcome back to episode 79. This is gonna be the same thing as last time, so yeah. Well, did not expect that to take that long. Well, at least now we have the true form of Little Wall, and now he's Little Eraser. Yeah, that's yay! Wow, that took fucking forever, bro. Fucking 6 minutes, just pure me chewing. Where are you? And yeah. Well, that's all for this, and peace out.